The problem with how I've been bundling up my paracord hanks is that I've just been wrapping the loose end around the hank a few times and then tucking it under the last wrap and hoping for the best. Now this does work, but when you start to remove cord from the hank, it eventually falls apart because the bundle gets smaller and the outer wraps loosen. So here's a better way. With the paracord hank in hand, take the loose end and make a bite. Then twist it 4 times away from yourself. And from there, pass your hand through the loop and place it around the paracord bundle. Pull on the loop and that will cinch up the twist into a friction knot that will tighten around the hank if you pull on it. Which means that as you remove cord from the hank and it shrinks, you can continually tighten this keeper cord around the bundle. Now I did not come up with this method. This comes from Bare Essentials, which is a phenomenal knot tying channel that you should definitely check out if you haven't already. And as a bonus tip, in case you weren't aware, when bundling up your cord into hanks, you should always wrap your cord in a figure 8 pattern so that when you're removing cord from the hank, it doesn't tangle. And when doing larger hanks, you can use what I've deemed the arm jig method to do so. And for smaller amounts of cord, you can use the hand jig method. And then finish it with the friction knotted loop and your paracord hanks will stay tight and neat.
Tight, yeah!
Hope that helps.